Welcome to your complete guide to creating a winning SEO strategy in 2025. If you're just starting your journey into search engine optimization, you've come to the right place. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to build an SEO strategy that actually works. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to implement your own SEO strategy, understand the tools you need, and know exactly what to focus on in your first 30 days. So let's dive in. Before we jump into tactics, let's make sure we understand the foundation. SEO, or search engine optimization, is built on three core pillars that work together to improve your website's visibility in search results. Think of these three pillars as the legs of a stool. If one is weak, the whole thing becomes unstable. The first pillar is technical SEO. This is all about making sure search engines can actually find, crawl, and understand your website. We're talking about site speed, mobile responsiveness, proper indexing, and site architecture. If your technical foundation is broken, even the best content won't rank well. The second pillar is on-page SEO. This focuses on optimizing individual pages and content pieces. It includes keyword optimization, creating high-quality content that matches user intent, optimizing title tags and meta descriptions, using proper heading structures, and building effective internal linking. This is where you directly communicate with search engines about what your content is about. The third pillar is off-page SEO, which is primarily about building authority and trust. The most important factor here is earning high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites. But it also includes social signals, brand mentions, guest posting, and local SEO factors like citations. Here's what's crucial to understand. You can't just focus on one pillar and ignore the others. Google's algorithm considers all these factors together when determining where to rank your content. A technically perfect site with poor content won't rank well, and amazing content on a technically broken site will struggle to gain visibility. Now let's talk about keyword research, which is absolutely fundamental to your SEO success. This is where many beginners make their first mistake. They either skip this step entirely, or they target keywords that are way too competitive for their current authority level. Effective keyword research starts with understanding the difference between short-tail and long-tail keywords. Short-tail keywords are broad terms like SEO tools. They have high search volume, but also extremely high competition. Long-tail keywords are more specific phrases like best free SEO tools. For beginners 2025, they have lower search volume, but much less competition and often higher conversion rates. As a beginner, you want to focus primarily on long-tail keywords. Why? Because you can actually rank for them. A new website trying to rank for SEO is like a local coffee shop trying to compete with Starbucks on a national level. But that same website can absolutely rank for how to do SEO for small local businesses if they create comprehensive, helpful content around that topic. Here's my proven keyword research process. First, brainstorm seed keywords that are redirectly relevant to your business or content. These are the basic terms your audience might search for. Then, use keyword research tools to expand this list. Google Keyword Planner is free and gives you search volume data directly from Google. For more advanced features, tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Ubersuggest provide competitor analysis and keyword difficulty scores. Next, analyze the search volume and competition for each keyword. Look for that sweet spot where there's decent search volume but manageable competition. Most importantly, consider user intent. Are people searching for information, looking to make a purchase, or trying to find a specific website? Your content needs to match what searchers actually want. Finally, group your keywords by topics and relevance. This helps you create comprehensive content that targets multiple related keywords naturally, rather than trying to force keywords into unrelated content. Content is still king in SEO, but the rules have changed significantly. Google's algorithm has become incredibly sophisticated at understanding user intent and content quality. This means you can't just stuff keywords into thin content and expect to rank. The most important principle in 2025 is user intent first. Before you write a single word, ask yourself, what is the person searching for this keyword actually trying to accomplish? Are they looking for a quick answer, a comprehensive guide, a product comparison, or step-by-step instructions. Your content needs to deliver exactly what they're looking for, and it needs to do it better than anything else currently ranking. Quality absolutely trumps quantity. One comprehensive, well-researched piece of content that thoroughly covers a topic will outperform 10 thin articles every time. Google's algorithm can detect content depth, expertise, and usefulness. This is why you see long-form content dominating search results for competitive keywords. But quality doesn't just mean length. It means accuracy, originality, and genuine helpfulness. Include real examples, case studies, and actionable advice. Cite credible sources. Update your content regularly to keep it current. Show your expertise through the depth of your knowledge and the quality of your insights. Diversify your content formats to engage different types of learners and searchers. Some people prefer reading detailed guides, others want quick video explanations, and still others learn best from infographics or case studies. By creating content in multiple formats, you can capture more search traffic and provide better user experiences. Consistency in publishing is crucial for building authority. Search engines favor websites that regularly publish fresh, relevant content. This doesn't mean you need to publish daily, but you should maintain a regular schedule that you can sustain long-term. It's better to publish one high-quality piece per week consistently than to publish daily for a month and then disappear for 3 months. Technical SEO might sound intimidating, but it's absolutely critical for your success. Think of it as the foundation of your house. You might not see it, but everything else depends on it being solid. Site speed is one of the most important technical factors. Google has explicitly stated that page speed is a ranking factor, and it makes sense from a user experience perspective. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, you're losing visitors and rankings. Optimize your images, leverage browser caching, minimize your code, and consider using a content delivery network. Mobile-first indexing means Google primarily uses the mobile version of your content for indexing and ranking. This isn't just about having a mobile-friendly site anymore. Your mobile experience needs to be excellent. Ensure your site is fully responsive, loads quickly on mobile devices, and provides the same content and functionality across all devices. Proper site architecture helps search engines understand the relationship between your pages and the importance hierarchy of your content. Use a logical URL structure, create comprehensive internal linking, and make sure every important page is accessible within a few clicks from your homepage. Indexability is fundamental. If search engines can't crawl and index your pages, they can't rank them. Set up Google Search Console to monitor your site's indexing status. Create and submit XML sitemaps for all your content types. Fix broken links and crawl errors promptly. Use robots, text files appropriately to guide search engine crawlers. Structured data markup helps search engines understand your content better and can result in rich snippets in search results. These enhanced listings can significantly improve your click-through rates. Implement schema markup for your business information, articles, products, reviews, and other relevant content types. Security is increasingly important. Ensure your site uses HTTPS encryption. Keep your content management system and plugins updated. Regular security audits can prevent issues that could harm both your users and your search rankings. On-page SEO is where you directly communicate with search engines about what your content covers and why it's valuable. Every element on your page sends signals about relevance and quality. Title tags are your first and most important opportunity to tell search engines and users what your page is about. Include your target keyword near the beginning of the title, but make sure it reads naturally and compellingly for human readers. Keep titles under 60 characters to ensure they display fully in search results. Meta descriptions don't directly impact rankings, but they significantly influence click-through rates. Write compelling summaries that include your target keywords and clearly communicate the value users will get from clicking. Aim for 150-160 characters to avoid truncation. Heading structure creates a clear hierarchy that helps both users and search engines understand your content organization. Use H1 tags for your main title, H2 tags for major sections, and H3 tags for subsections. Include relevant keywords in your headings, but prioritize clarity and user experience. URL structure should be clean, descriptive, and include your target keywords when possible. Avoid long URLs with unnecessary parameters. Use hyphens to separate words and keep URLs as short as possible while still being descriptive. Internal linking is one of the most underutilized on-page SEO tactics. Link to related content on your site using descriptive anchor text. This helps search engines understand the relationship between your pages and distributes authority throughout your site. It also keeps users engaged by providing additional valuable resources. Content optimization goes beyond just including keywords. Use semantic keywords and related terms naturally throughout your content. Include multimedia elements like images, videos, and infographics to enhance user engagement. Optimize images with descriptive alt text and appropriate file names. Backlinks remain one of the strongest ranking factors in Google's algorithm. But the game has changed dramatically. It's no longer about quantity. It's about quality, relevance, and earning links naturally. The foundation of any successful link-building strategy is creating genuinely linkable content. This means content that's so valuable, comprehensive, or unique that other websites naturally want to reference it. Think original research, comprehensive guides, useful tools, or unique insights that add value to conversations in your industry. Strategic outreach is about building genuine relationships with other content creators and website owners in your space. Don't send generic email templates asking for links. Instead, engage with their content, share their work, and look for natural opportunities to collaborate or provide value. When you do reach out, focus on how you can help them and their audience, not what you want from them. Guest posting can be effective when done right. Focus on contributing high-quality content to reputable publications in your industry. The goal isn't just to get a backlink, it's to establish your expertise, reach new audiences, and build relationships. Choose publications where your target audience actually spends time. Resource page link building involves finding pages that curate useful resources in your industry and suggesting your content when it genuinely adds value. These pages exist specifically to help users find valuable resources, so if your content truly belongs there, you're providing a service to both the page owner and their audience. Reclaiming unlinked brand mentions is often the easiest way to earn new backlinks. Use tools like Google Alerts or Mention to find when people reference your brand, content, or expertise without linking to you. Reach out politely to ask if they'd consider adding a link. Remember, quality always trumps quantity. One link from a highly authoritative, relevant website is worth more than dozens of links from low-quality directories or irrelevant sites. Focus on earning links that actually send referral traffic and enhance your reputation. You can't improve what you don't measure. Successful SEO requires tracking the right metrics and understanding what they tell you about your strategy's effectiveness. Organic traffic is the most obvious metric, but don't just look at total numbers. Analyze traffic trends, seasonal patterns, and traffic quality. Are visitors engaging with your content? Are they converting into customers or subscribers? Traffic that doesn't lead to business results isn't valuable. Keyword rankings give you insight into your visibility for target terms. Track rankings for your primary keywords, but also monitor your overall keyword portfolio. Are you ranking for more keywords over time? Are you moving up for competitive terms? Tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or even Google Search Console can help you track ranking progress. Your backlink profile tells the story of your site's authority growth. Monitor not just the number of backlinks, but their quality, relevance, and diversity. Are you earning links from authoritative sites in your industry? Is your link profile growing naturally over time? Conversion metrics connect your SEO efforts to business results. Track how organic traffic converts compared to other channels. Which keywords and pages drive the most valuable traffic? This data helps you focus your efforts on the content and keywords that actually impact your bottom line. Engagement metrics like time on page, bounce rate, and pages per session indicate content quality and user satisfaction. High-quality content that matches user intent typically shows strong engagement metrics. Poor engagement can signal that your content isn't meeting user expectations. Technical metrics include site speed, mobile usability, and crawl errors. These foundational elements impact both user experience and search engine ability to index your content effectively. Set up regular reporting to track your progress over time. SEO is a long-term strategy, so focus on trends rather than day-to-day fluctuations. Monthly or quarterly reviews help you identify what's working and where you need to adjust your strategy. Now let's put everything together into a practical action plan you can start implementing immediately. I've broken this down into 4 weeks of focused activities that build on each other. Week 1 is all about research and analysis. This foundation work is crucial for everything that follows. Start by setting up Google Search Console and Google Analytics if you haven't already. These free tools provide essential data about your site's performance and how users interact with your content. Conduct comprehensive keyword research for your niche. Don't rush this step. Spend time understanding what your audience is actually searching for and what keywords you can realistically rank for, given your current authority level. Create a master list of target keywords, organized by priority and difficulty. Analyze your top 3 competitors' SEO strategies. What keywords are they ranking for? What type of content performs best in your space? What gaps can you identify in their coverage that represent opportunities for you? Tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush make this competitive analysis much easier. Perform a technical SEO audit of your current site. Check for crawl errors, broken links, slow loading pages, and mobile usability issues. Google Search Console and free tools like Screaming Frog can help identify technical problems that need attention. Week 2 focuses on fixing technical issues and optimizing your site's foundation. Address the critical technical problems you identified in Week 1. Fix 404 errors, set up proper redirects, and resolve any indexing issues. Improve your site speed and mobile responsiveness. Optimize images, enable compression, and consider upgrading your hosting if performance is poor. Test your site on various devices to ensure a consistent experience. Create or update your XML sitemap and submit it to Google Search Console. This helps search engines discover and index your content more efficiently. Implement schema markup for your key pages. Start with basic markup for your business information, articles, and products. This structured data can improve how your content appears in search results. Week 3 is about content optimization and creation. This is where you start implementing your keyword research and content strategy. Optimize your existing high-priority pages. Update title tags and meta descriptions to include target keywords while maintaining readability. Improve heading structures and add internal links to related content. Create 2 to 3 pieces of high-quality, comprehensive content targeting your priority keywords. Focus on providing genuine value and thoroughly covering your topics. Remember, quality over quantity. Optimize all images with descriptive alt text and appropriate file names. This improves accessibility and provides additional opportunities for search visibility. Update your internal linking structure to better connect related content and distribute authority throughout your site. Week 4 focuses on link building and measurement setup. Develop a sustainable link building outreach plan. Identify potential link prospects, craft personalized outreach messages, and start building relationships in your industry. Reclaim unlinked brand mentions by reaching out to sites that reference you without linking. This is often the easiest way to earn your first quality backlinks. Set up comprehensive rank tracking for your target keywords. Choose a tool that fits your budget and tracking needs. Document your entire SEO strategy and create a sustainable plan for ongoing efforts. SEO isn't a one-time project. It requires consistent long-term effort. Having the right tools makes SEO much more manageable and effective. Let me walk you through the essential tools you need, starting with the free options that every beginner should use. Google Search Console is absolutely essential and completely free. It shows you how Google sees your site, what keywords you're ranking for, and any technical issues that need attention. Set this up first and check it regularly. Google Analytics provides crucial insights into how users interact with your site. Track organic traffic, user behavior, and conversion metrics. The new GA4 interface takes some getting used to, but the data is invaluable. Google Keyword Planner gives you search volume data directly from Google. While it's designed for advertisers, It's useful for SEO keyword research, especially when combined with other tools. For technical SEO, Google PageSpeed Insights analyzes your site speed and provides specific recommendations for improvement. Screaming Frog SEO Spider offers a free version that can crawl up to 500 pages and identify technical issues. When you're ready to invest in paid tools, Ahrefs is excellent for keyword research, competitor analysis, and backlink tracking. SEMrush offers similar features with additional tools for content marketing and social media. Moz Pro provides user-friendly SEO tools with excellent educational resources. For content optimization, Yoast SEO is the most popular WordPress plugin for on-page SEO. It provides real-time optimization suggestions as you write. Grammarly helps ensure your content is well-written and error-free. Surfer SEO analyzes top-ranking pages and provides data-driven content optimization recommendations. Don't forget about learning resources. Google's SEO Starter Guide is the official resource from Google itself. Moz's SEO Learning Center offers comprehensive guides and tutorials. Ahrefs' YouTube channel provides excellent free training on various SEO topics. The key is to start with free tools and gradually invest in paid options as your needs grow and your SEO efforts start generating results. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive roadmap for creating a winning SEO strategy in 2025. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. The strategies we've covered today will help you build sustainable long-term growth, but they require patience and consistent effort. Start with your 30-day action plan, focus on creating genuinely valuable content, and always prioritize user experience over trying to game the system. Google's algorithm continues to get better at rewarding sites that provide real value to users. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more digital marketing content. Leave a comment below with your biggest SEO challenge. I read every comment and often create content based on your questions. Remember, the best time to start your SEO journey was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Take action on what you've learned today, and I'll see you in the next video.